Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you how to install Windows on your devices, whether it's PC or laptop, using a USB drive. USB drive is something like this. You could call it USB flash drive or whatever you call it. In the previous part of this video I'm already shared with you how to make a bootable Windows device using Rufus. So if you haven't watched it, please watch it in the link. I'm gonna put it below or upper in this section. So after that, you could just plug your USB flash drive onto your USB port on your PCs or on your laptop and turn that on. Then after you turn that on, you need to press F11 or F12 or whatever menu that your BIOS using to entering BBS menu. From there you can choose your flash drive. Usually it's F2 button or F10, F11 or F12. It depends on which brand your device using, but you could find an information about this on the Google or something. Just search how to enter BBS menu from your brand devices. In my device I'm using F11. So after the menu pop up, I'm just gonna select my flash drive name. I'm already put the flash drive in my USB 3 port and it's gonna putting up. Let's just wait a little bit. If you are using laptop, make sure you plug your chargers into your laptop, because it's gonna using a lot of battery and not in short time either. After this menu pop up, you can choose your language to install and your time and currency format. I'm going to use my country in here, then click next. After that, click install now. Because if you had your Windows key that you get legally from Microsoft or other distributor, you better put it here. If you hasn't had it yet or you want to enter it later, then just click I don't have the product key. If you had it, just enter it right now. If you don't, then I'm just click I don't have the product key. Then choose the version of the Windows that your keys had. So if you bought the Windows 10 home version, then choose Windows 10 home version. If you had Windows 10 education or whatever you had, just choose the one that you bought before. I'm having a key for Windows 10 Pro, so I'm gonna choosing this. Then just click I accept the license terms and click next. After that, choose custom. After you click a custom install, the next menu is where you want to install your Windows. Because I'm using a blank hard drive, it's gonna be showing up like this. I'm using 240 gigabyte hard drive, so it's gonna show up the total size and the free space of the hard drive. Just click new. Then if you want to separate it between a system drive, or usually known as C drive, and D drive, you're just gonna enter how much you want to put your C drive is. If you want to put 120 gigs, then just enter 120,000. But because I didn't want to use any data drive, I want only make one partition, then I'm just gonna correctly apply. There's gonna be warning to ensure that all Windows features works correctly. Windows might create additional partition for system file. All you need to do is just click OK. After that, Windows will automatically create a system partition for you. Then all you need to do is just click next. After that, you just need to wait until it finishes. The speed of this installation depends on what kind of USB flash drive you use, what kind of hard drive that you use. If you're using an SSD, of course it's gonna be done much faster than installing it on hard drive. After it's finished, it's gonna automatically restart your PC. At this point, you can take out your USB flash drive. You don't need to keep it. You can just take this out, and this device is gonna automatically finish the Windows installation by itself. You don't have to do anything at this time, just wait patiently. After this, Windows is gonna ask for your region. If it's already correct, then just click yes. And for the keyboard layout, if you don't know, just choose US, as this is the most general keyboard out there. So just click yes. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, just click add layout. If done, then just click escape. If you had your network, you can connect it directly, but for now I'm just gonna choose I don't have the internet. Then select continue with limited setup. When the device is gonna rebooting once more. After this, if I remember correctly, you're gonna be asking to enter your name. This is the same as before, just select I don't have the internet and continue with limited setup. I was correct. So in this menu, you can enter the username for this PC. I'm just gonna enter user and click next. You can enter your password here. If you didn't want to use any password, then just leave it blank, then click next. At this choose privacy setting for your device, I strongly recommend you to just leave it as it. Then click the save. Just don't change anything in there and you're good to go. But if you want to change, it's okay to just read it carefully what each menu means. And you're gonna wait for some more for Windows to preparing your PC for the first time. It's almost there. That's it. Now your device is already installed. At this point, you can install the application that you use, connect your device to the internet, so it's gonna be automatically download your drivers. And if you haven't activated your device before, you can activate right now by clicking in the search bar, then click activation. Just type activate and it's gonna show up activated setting. Then you have to connect to the internet before you activate this device. All you need to do after you connect to the internet, just click change product key, enter the product key that you bought before from Microsoft or other distributors, and just click next. After that, the window is gonna be automatically activate your device. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, just post it in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.